People out there, I'm begging you, please. This is my girlfriend, Jada Savino. My name is Andre.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So let me telling you something, my viewers and subscribers. I see if you don't know, make me telling this about this, man. Yeah. You see me? Me is a man in my people. Me no pick side when it come on to foolishness. And you see if you're wrong, you're going to get wrong. No matter how you cry, or you bawl, or you beg NEWLINK. You understand? And that's why NEWLINK is a youth. Now, me no run with certain things to people. No. So, yeah, you know me people. What me I going to do first of all? You understand? Before me even jump in and start talk and start chat off my mouth, me have a video plus a voice message I want to share with my people. So this video and this voice message come from a youth named Andre and a girl named Jada. Basically, the story based upon the two of them I have forward with my people. But in this video, Andre basically crying out and bawling out and begging Jada to come back home. Because same girlfriend Jada, she leave him and she gone because he was talking to her about certain things of people which she explained in the voice note and explained in the video. And he's begging Jada to come back, please. He might cry for them heart, my people. So what I want you all to do now, my viewers and subscribers, please listen carefully and check out this, and then the attacking boss drop back in. Check out this, my people.
People out there, I'm begging you, please. This is my girlfriend, Jada Savino. My name is Andre. If you see her anywhere out there in the Jamaica, in the world, anywhere out there in Jamaica, please, if you see this girl, tell her boyfriend say come home, and her mother miss her, her uncles, and her family, and I miss her so much. If you see this girl, Jada Savino, please come home to your boyfriend, your mother. I was trying to protect you, that's why I was talking to you. You don't need to talk to other man. You don't need to take money from other man. That's what I was talking to you about. And I was telling you to delete these names out of your phone. That's all I was telling you. I know that a lot of things will happen to you. That's why I'm trying to protect you. Please, if you get this message, anybody out there will see her. Miss her so much. And her mother is worried too as well. And her uncle so much. Come on. I'm begging you, NEWLINK, I'm begging you, please, if you can put this out there. Please, to find back my girlfriend Jada. Please, this is Andre. Please, NEWLINK, I'm begging you, NEWLINK. I'm begging you, NEWLINK. NEWLINK, I'm begging you, please. I was talking to her because she was texting other man and sending her body, and I was talking to her and she's, talking to man, and I tell her that is wrong because I'm trying to protect her. And I tell her to delete these men's number. This person, these men that she talking to. And she just gone because I'm talking to her. I might talk anxious, but it's just I am trying to protect her. So if anybody out there sees her girlfriend Jada, NEWLINK, put it out there for me, please. Her mother also as well miss her, and her whole and entire family. Especially her mother and me is worrying a lot. Come back home, Jada, please, to your mother, your boyfriend, Andre. I love you so much, Jada. Your mother love you so much. I love you so much, Jada. I love you, my girlfriend. You're my strawberry. Just come home, Jada. Just come home. Come home. Come home, Jada. I miss you, Jada. Your boyfriend Andre miss you a lot. Love you so much. Can I sleep and eat without you? Your mother miss you as well. Your mother need you to as well. Come home to us, Jada. Come home. Come home to your boyfriend, Jada. Jada, come home. I might ask Asha on you, but forgive me for it. But I am trying to protect you. Come home, Jada. Come home to your boyfriend, Andre, and your mother. Please. Your mother miss you as well. Do not make. Please. Do not do it, Jada. Please come home. Please. Please. Please.
Some viewers and subscribers. Hey! Georgia sees, Georgia knows. Attack, attack, attack. Andre? Boy, people. This youth now, I'm going to tell you something about him. Special. You see that youth, yeah? Him? I tried with him before. If you all is a fans, a viewers, a subscribers from the Attacking Boss channel from a couple years back, y'all saw videos I share about him. And you saw videos where I share, I can tell you how ungrateful this youth is. No joke. I do all of this to people. You understand? I tell you, I seek help for him. You know what I mean? If you move him out of the way, I'm living at the crowd in the barrel, my people. I seek help for him from out of the fall cup and put him in a nice pen. I seek help for him to get things and can start a local business. I seek help with them donate too much thousands of dollars. And him fail me, him let me down, people. Boy, bring shame upon me. Him try and beg me, wheel out, him cry out to me, NEWLINK, me sorry, forgive me, NEWLINK, beg NEWLINK. NEWLINK say, you know what, me no want to get in a problem with people. You make much people donate their money and me beg for you, and me cry for you, you make this and that, and you make me and people even fall out because of you. Because I did have a female, you understand me people, and because of the same female, you know, because of them, me and the female end up even fall out, one heap and mix up and bang around, go on. You get what I'm saying, my people? So, with this whole thing I know, I see this morning, me there, on my phone, I see about 100 WhatsApp message forwarding. Me I say, what do you react to this? And this is why people that say, NEWLINK, you don't have a WhatsApp group. And I said, no, I don't have a WhatsApp group because I cannot take these things when how much message I'm forwarding, people are full up my phone and this is my personal contact. You get me? I say, so never the reason why I just deal with IG when the people on the video IG or over Twitter and them places, you know, me share through them thing there. You get what I say? So the people who follow the IG, them know the thing. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Back. So, all of this go on, my people. You understand? 100 when me checking out. And then I sit me see the crying how much picture and this and that. But, Andre, him should have know in himself, my people. Him should have know how me go to work. And him should have understand how me stay. You understand? Him should have know, say, me personally, me not deal with foolishness. Because I talked to him about these things before previously. And him know say me not in a foolishness, my people. Him know how me got to work. You understand? So him know say when he come on to certain things, me and I effort with him on a real level. And him know say he no came cry to me, me a fool. You understand? Me know how him go, me know say him have him games them when him play. And me know how him trick people and him con people. So him no matter, you come to me and Andre with this story, nobody believe say me go come and pretty and say, Jada, please come back to Andre. What me I gonna tell Jada if you know say Andre did a beat a ton where they and hope there somewhere good? You understand? If you find a better man who treat you good, who will take care because the help them when me seek for this youth for better you and her. You understand? You make it go to a waste. You shame me youth. I see how your head look now, me seek help, make them carry you go barber. You understand? Big up to the female, even though we not link like that no more. But big up yourself because you was trying with him. You get what me I say? She can't go barber, she take care of them, the Jada here, buy much clothes, give them barrel of things, send down for them, and then at the end everything get let down to people. Even she give up on him because in the new video, say she rob him and say she this, say she that, and him beg for. What if I mix up go on? You understand? So we try with this youth. So when him come forward and attack, say him need help and him need this. You know what help this youth get? Where how much Jamaican would I want and not get? Eh? No. Him not better than the female. Because people, let me show you something. Him send a video to my viewers and subscribers. And this is the video where him say him did attack to her and just check out that video.
Look, All mosquito. You see the mosquito? Okay. That for sure say me care for you. All mosquito me a kill for you. You have to care for me, Jada. You have to care for me, Jada. You can't talk to me, Jada, and I talk to man on phone, Jada. You see me I try to tell you my heart, my chest a pain me. You see me I say I not even look you come outside out a door, Jada. You can't do them something there.
Look on the female people. Look on this girl. How she look to you? Eh? She look alright to you? No, she don't look alright to me, my people. She don't look alright to me. You see the little girl sick? Eh? This youth, brother, let me tell you something, youth. You need to either you find a rehab go, or you find some mental institution or something, brother, and go fix it yourself. You get what me answer because nobody bliss if you come beg. The girl need help. And if you can't fix her, because why is the sense she be around you for much years and she ain't better in herself, you ain't better in yourself, bro? Eh? There's no growth. We seek help for growth for you. Provide assistance for you get waka. You see you want waka, you get waka. You get bed, you get everything. And we have to put it to waste, my G. What you expect me to do now? If you come cry and beg Jada to come back to you, no, brother. I tell you the truth. I ain't gonna beg Jada come back. If Jada love you and she want to come back and she come back to a good treatment and a better life with you, then she come back. But if Jada come back to a worse life or she not better herself, she turn out she gonna find herself and gonna link her mommy. I understand, yes, link your mommy, Jada. Reach out to your mommy and hope you're somewhere better and somewhere greater. If you find a man who treat you better and treat you greater, you know, but you need help yourself, Jada, too. You need help. Mentally, you understand? Physically, you need help. You need attention, and this is a sin thing, yeah. Boy, only just season, you know, people say, I ain't gonna do this to pretty up nobody. Me is a man of the truth and reality of people. Me not be saying nobody want to say. So the crying, cause look here. He make this post with people. You see the post where he make? He post the sign up. You see the letter where him say, right? He want a girlfriend and this and that and left for much contact. And him do this a way before the woman say the woman left him. So why am I put say one girlfriend before the woman left him? I know him a cry for the woman. Yes, that boy a joker. Eh? Yes, this a boy a play and I look people for take for fool. And take me for idiot. You don't try to take attacking boss either. You try it already and you do it already and you're not going to do it again. So they wanna come to me and cry, and this is why I gonna get a hope for now. You won't text it back, you won't reach out back to me again about this foolishness. Because you see me in the foolishness with you and the effort with you. I hope you see it in yourself now. I've tried and I done. I'm gonna give people this 100 bag a chance. Just like relationship, a woman mess up with me, that's it. Because there's so much God have out there for me. So why me should I mad over one? You crazy? Youth, go fix yourself and get the necessary help we forget. But attacking boss, that's it for me. You understand my point and my talk to this is done. My viewers and my subscribers, leave in the comment section. What do you think? If you think I'm wrong to, or I anger the situation, please let me know. And I can explain myself why. You understand? I have to do it. Even though I explain myself now, because some people them take things different. Even though I explain myself and I tell you how I feel about the whole situation, I say, hey, you know, but it's the truth. It's the truth. I've tried. I've tried and I've done my part, baby. What more can I do? There's no more I can do. I've tried and I've done my part. Jaja sees, Jada knows. The people, big up on yourself, stay safe, continue to do the right thing. A one team, a one dream, and a one attacking boss of people. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production official attacking boss. This youth of a people, that's it. I'm done. I'm out. Peace out. Love you all. Stay safe. Continue to do the right thing. Bless up. Blessings.
I'm here selling some product, bleach, and fabric sampler, but I don't have any as yet.
Look in the camera, Jada. Yes, this is me, Andre, or boyfriend, talking. I'm saying that my girlfriend is trying, selling bleach and stuff now. I am just a hustler. What I do any juggling, anything. You see me? But for my girlfriend, she's selling bleach and soft now. In some small bottles and, selling them and things. So if you could help us in any way, and especially my girlfriend, if you could buy some cake soap, some fab soap, tissue, air freshener, anything we can put towards the business, I would be grateful. And if you see this video and you're interested, I would be appreciated. You can